Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you on withdrawing Bitcoin from a cloud mining platform and transferring it to your USA bank account. Let's break it down step by step. First, log into your Bitcoin cloud mining account. Navigate to the withdrawal section and enter your cryptocurrency wallet address, such as Coinbase or Binance Wallet. Confirm the transaction to transfer your Bitcoin to the wallet. Now, once your Bitcoin arrives in your wallet, use the platform's exchange feature to convert it to US dollars or USD. For example, in Coinbase, click on Trade, select Bitcoin, and convert it to USD. Now, ensure you check the current exchange rates for the best value. Go to your wallet settings and add your bank account details. Most wallets like Coinbase or Kraken require you to verify your account by providing routing and account numbers. Now, after linking your bank account, initiate a withdrawal. Select USD as the currency and choose your bank account as the destination. Confirm the withdrawal and wait for the transfer, which can take 1 to 3 business days depending on the platform. And that is how you withdraw Bitcoin from a cloud mining platform to your USA bank account. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.